nakita kong reel from Casking na pwedeng-pwede pang light game fishing and also ultralight fishing. So this is the Casking Royal Megatron. Very compact yung kanyang body. Very suitable for light game fishing and ultralight fishing setup. So tingnan nyo naman, this is the 1000 size and napaka-compact niya. Yung spool niya is a shallow spool. So this reel, naka-screw-in handle na rin siya. Itong 1000 size, 172 grams lang. So bakit ko ba nasabi itong reel na to bagay na bagay for light game fishing or ultralight fishing? Kasi itong reel na to, with its very compact body, ang kanyang stopping power or ang kanyang drag capacity, 3 kilograms lang. Napaka-suitable for light game fishing and ultralight fishing. And yung kanyang gear ratio, only 5.2 to 1. And kung gagamitin nyo man to pang tubig dagat, this reel has 5+1 shielded Maxidor stainless ball bearings. So yes, sealed na yung kanyang bearings.